Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to number 14 and 15 of the 30 tracks in 38 days challenge. So I decided just to knock 2 of them out since I did take 2 days off essentially. So I just caught up and did 2 tracks yesterday. Now I had started recording the first one, but for whatever reason I couldn't find anything I liked. So I went ahead and cut it and then just worked offline with it. So I'm going to show you what I got from the first one and the second one. So this is going to be a short video. I'm just going to show you the tracks. You can go and listen to them. They're already out on SoundCloud. I'll post the links below. This is the first one here. It's a EDM track at about 123 BPM. So this is like the intro melody. And then I got some background noise here. Sort of like from Flickr, just to kind of get an intro to it. And this is the main lead here that's about to come in. Yeah, so I just adjusted a few more things, but basically this kind of just repeats again into another part. And then I let it go for a little bit. So yeah, this one's pretty simple. It's just your basic like deep house sort of track that just kind of flows throughout. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for that one. And this next one, which actually I finished last night. So this one I had done previously, or the one I showed you I had done the day before, and then this one I did last night. So that's what it is. This is your like future house track. So this one I went a little bit heavier, nothing crazy. Just to kind of change things up a little bit and get my mindset ready for the next ones, because those are going to be all EDM. This one's a little fast pace. So these voices right here are not samples. Well, they kind of are, but it's this plugin called Arcade Output. And man, this thing is awesome. Whatever reason oh, here we go. So what this does is it kind of, hang on, let me. So you can see it takes a bunch of different samples, and depending on what key you want, you can kind of play with them and get the perfect sound. So I was able to get a really good vocal effect going with it, and it just kind of worked. And I really like this, so I'm going to be probably using it a little bit more. But it was my first time really using this with the track. So yeah, let's see how it turned out. This is something that I had done previously on tracks. Is at the beginning of a next like series of 8 bars, I'll add this like bass line here, just to kind of change it up. Yeah, and then this one kind of repeats a little bit, and then I do change the second drop. So there I kind of do the same thing, except I add it at the very beginning of the drop just to give it like a dramatic entry into the next drop, and the next drop's pretty much the same. I think what I wanted to do was this. Oh, I know, right? Yeah, there we go. But yeah, that is pretty much it. This one actually turned out pretty good. Sound quality wise, I can hear like it came out pretty clean. And that's because most of these were kind of in the same pack. So that's kind of the good thing. If you find a good sound, for the most part, you'll find stuff that are in similar packs. And this one just kind of was one of those. You know, I did change up a few different things. I did these basses, and then I added obviously the vocal output, arcade output in there. Yeah, this one's just kind of short, just to drop these 2 tracks, show you what they look like, and I will be continuing hopefully tonight, or maybe over the weekend. I'll just catch up on a bunch of them. But if you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe, like the video, share it, and I will see you on the next one. Later, guys.